vlog, welcome to Vlogmas day 13. Today we're gonna do like a little day in my life. It's already 2:30 p.m. so we're gonna start the day at the middle of the day. But I'm gonna go pick up my niece and nephews from school right now with my sister. I'm just gonna show y'all what a day is like for me at my sister's house. Literally, I just borrow all of my niece and nephew's clothing because I don't like carrying a lot of stuff when I come here because I usually come from work, so I literally just borrow all their clothes all the time and they fit me. So perks of being a young aunt. Here's the plan for today. I plan to make some like hot chocolate, like make some cute aesthetic hot chocolate, maybe watch some Christmas movies and try a new recipe because I love trying new recipes. So it's gonna be like a cooking wholesome vlog today. So let's go pick them up. So y'all know that coquette trend where you like put ribbons on everything? I put a ribbon on my camera, so I need to show y'all. Look, it's so cute. The kids are back from school. Now we gotta go on our way to pick up my niece from high school. So next stop. Okay, so I ordered some stuff from TikTok shop and I'm gonna unbox it now. My nephew already opened this one up. I got these UGG dupes, like the UGG platform. I think these are called the Tasman. They smell bad. Smell like plastic, but I mean these dupes aren't bad. Like they look like the UGG. I mean they don't say UGG on them, but UGG. It is a bit uncomfy if I don't wear any bruh, the sole came out right away. It's uncomfy when you don't put any socks on with them. That's the only thing. But if you have socks on, it'll be fine. It's just because the sole is like all messed up. It's the other one. This one, okay, this one, the sole is good. I don't know, for some reason this sole is slanted, so it feels weird when you put it on. Put them on so you can see how they look like on. When I put them on, it looks like I have a long foot. So I'm not sure, but then I also got this from TikTok shop. This is from Sweet Mayhem. So these are leggings that look like what are they called? Like pantyhose. So you can put them on under a dress and it looks super nice from what I've seen on TikTok. So this is a deep tone one because I'm not getting the tan one. But apparently like it matches, it can match your skin tone. Ooh, it kind of does. Okay, I got a size small. So I'm gonna try it on. I hope it fits. It looks like it'll fit because it's like stretchy. I'm gonna try it on with the UGG boots and then let's see if it's a vibe. Okay, so I put on a skirt just so you can see like the leggings and stop. They look like I'm wearing black sheer tights and I feel like pantyhose are kind of annoying because they get itchy, but these are so soft on the inside because it has like fur. It's fur lined and they're not gonna break. My stockings be breaking. Oh my gosh, these are freaking perfect. And I got the closed toe ones, so it, you know, I don't have to wear socks. And this is freaking crazy. Insane. Actually, insane, yeah. Bye. And then here, I matched it with the Uggs. So this is what the Uggs look like. They don't look bad, you know, like they actually look good. It makes my foot look big for some reason, but I don't know, she's kind of slaying right now. She is slaying right now. Okay, so this is it in this mirror. Like, kind of cute. Obviously the shoes don't match with this outfit, but like they look cute. And I'm still obsessed with these freaking tights, bro. Like, I'm still obsessed. Like, are y'all kidding me? It looks like my skin tone. Y'all need to buy this. Y'all need to buy this. Okay, so I'm gonna go make some hot chocolate now. I got all the ingredients from the supermarket downstairs. So let's make some hot cocoa. I found a recipe on TikTok because I don't know how to make hot cocoa like this. I know how to make like the Mexican kind. These ones, because that's the one my mom makes. This comes with marshmallows inside. Came back with the accessories for the thumbnail. Put in the work, Alf. Alright, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. 1/3 cup of water. 1/2 tablespoon of salt. There's no granulated sugar, but we have brown sugar, so we're gonna use that. It's 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and then turn up the heat. We're gonna let it boil, and then we'll add the milk. Oh, it's already boiling. That was quick. Oh, I'm freaking out now. Okay, so I'm gonna try to record like a cute little reel slash TikTok slash YouTube short. So you'll see the behind the scenes. So basically, I'm just gonna prepare the hot cocoa now. Okay, so I'm gonna get this little ladle. I'm going to pour the hot chocolate into this. It's gonna be really hard not to make a mess because I'm recording. Oh, I didn't do too bad. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so now what do we do next? Oh, the marshmallows. Marshmallows are good, but I wanted to roast them, but how am I gonna roast them? It's okay, we're just gonna add them. Add lots of marshmallows. Perfect, perfect. And now we're gonna add some candy canes. I always see people add a candy canes to their marshmallow, to their hot chocolate. I don't know what for, because I'm not gonna eat this candy cane, not gonna lie. But I think it is very cute, especially to make a heart. Oh man, this one's like not the same shape. Hold on. How are they different shapes? Alright. Perfect, that is so cute. Y'all, look at this. Look at this hot cocoa. It's so cute. Let's take a picture of it for social media. And let's go take a sip by the Christmas tree. Y'all, the most craziest thing just happened to me. So I went to sit down at the table, right? And something went in my freaking hand. I'm gonna insert a picture of it here. My sister saved the day. She took it out. Oh my gosh, I was freaking the freak out. Anyways, my nephew and I are gonna do a Christmas TikTok. I'm Santa Claus. He's gonna dress up as the Grinch, and I'm gonna dress up as Santa Claus, and then you'll see the final. Well, you'll see what we do when we practice. Are you ready, Grinch? He's the main one. Mr. Grinch. Look at these socks, bro.
I'm not even wearing nothing that's Santa Claus. Technically, you're supposed to wear this.
No, but you could wear it too. Because you're the Grinch, bro. Yo, tell me this mask isn't creepy as heck, bro. What is this? Nah, bro. What is that? What is that? The eyes look too crazy, bro. This could be the intro to a scary movie.
These gloves are my favorite. But how am I going to wear gloves?
Is it good? So start from the feet and then go up.
Alright, just like that?
Yeah. And then move it crazy, ready? Oh no, you don't turn it. We're gonna keep going.
Oh, don't turn it off?
Yeah, don't turn it off. We keep going and then I record you.
Wait, I don't know how to do it though. I literally have zero
Wait, you go. Wait, okay, hold on.
Zero idea how to do it.
Alright. Yeah, and then you go, you better. Yo,
That's all?
Oh, in a circle, yeah. That's it.
When you grab it, should I like turn it around for me already or no?
No, I'll turn it on for you. We just have Augie sleeping in the background. Oh my gosh, bro, you look so creepy. Bro looks so creepy.
Wow. 3, 2, 1, no.
Are you gonna take your mask off? Let's see. I'm gonna insert the TikTok here.
Cause my best friend finna, she finna. Oh, your best friend, that's my best friend, that's my best friend. That's my best friend, that's my best friend. You better turn it up. Best friend, won't you? Come on, best friend, let's go. Won't you throw it in a circle, yeah.
That was a lot. Holy smokes. I'm sweating. Don't worry. Santa Claus is out of commission right now. It's time to go to bed. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. They're gonna go to sleep and play some Hogwarts. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!